Log in and cash out. It's that simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you a brand new website that's literally giving out free PayPal money cash codes for absolutely free. I'm going to show you different ways to earn this free PayPal money, and I'm also going to show you how to set up a strategy on autopilot mode so that you can make money passively. This money-making strategy is super simple and available for pretty much everyone. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and you don't even need to have any specific knowledge, experience, or skills. All you're gonna need is your device, an internet connection, and the instructions within this video, because I'm gonna be showing you exactly what you have to do. So all you have to do is pay close attention over the next few money-making minutes of this short video and stay extra alert for the bonus tips and recommendations that I'm going to be dropping for you today. I'm going to start this video with a bang by recommending a crazy simple way to make money online. Just click the first link in the description box down below and you can get access to a done-for-you software that helps you go from $0 to $500 a day as a complete beginner. But please keep in mind that this is only available for the first 25 people who click the first link in the description and sign up. So, if it's still available, you can get access to a done-for-you system and see the best way to make money online. Anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. Let me show you a quick example of how you can redeem the free PayPal money using today's method. All you need to do is type in how much you want. Let's say you want $1,000. And then you're going to click on this button right here that says claim this item. And that's it. It's super easy and you can put literally any amount that you want to claim. It doesn't really matter. But before you do, we need to set up the system for this. And for this, the first step is to come over to the site, which is called PrizeRebel.com. And you will see earn free PayPal money with PrizeRebel. Make money online, complete paid online surveys, and redeem for free PayPal money in the form of cash and gift cards from different brands. But don't worry, you don't need to take the surveys. That's completely optional. And here's how this website works. Sign up for a free account, earn points by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers, and then redeem points for PayPal cash or choose from hundreds of gift cards. So here are some of the top rewards that you can redeem, like Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, free PayPal money, Visa gift cards, free gift cards, Roblox game cards, PlayStation gift cards, and so on and so forth. You can also see that this website is partnered up with quite big brands, so that's super reassuring. And here you can see that they have the largest collection of gift cards for you to choose from, and it's processed electronically, ready for gift cards. You can redeem your points for a gift card from hundreds of brand names you choose. You can get free gift card rewards such as Amazon gift cards, Apple gift cards, and also PrizeRebel gift cards. PrizeRebel actually pays you by sending people money directly to your account. Also, when you redeem your points, they offer one of the best ways to make money online. So now you want to come to the home page of this site and create a free account. You can either sign up with Facebook or with Google because it takes just a click of a button. Alternatively, you can register by providing all of the details that they're asking for, which would be your first name and your last name, your email and your password, and just hit that Start Making Money button. And once you log in, that's going to take you straight into your dashboard, which should look just like this. Now, if you want, you can read on this page to know more about the site, but don't worry because I'm going to teach you every step that you need to take exactly to make the most money possible from this website. Now, the first thing that I want you to do to earn free PayPal money is to hover your mouse over the Earn section on the top of the site and select Offer Walls. And that's going to take you over to this page right here. Here, you can find different offers, different surveys that you can participate in and earn from different app installs, info submit, etc. And right now, we're on the featured offers page for today. Now, what I want you to do is click on No Cost, because we obviously don't want to spend any money to make free PayPal money. Now, you can choose from any of the surveys displayed here and earn points for every survey that you complete. You can get paid for your opinions in the form of points. You can claim free samples, and you can even join in for $1,000 giveaways. All of this for completely free. There are so many more offers on here that you can earn from for free. I think this is super awesome because it's a great opportunity. And the next place that I want you to come over to is Win, which is also at the top of this website. Now, select Contests, and that's going to take you here. And if you read this, it says, be a winner in our Offer Wall contest. To participate in the contest, all you need to do is complete and earn the most points from offers from the offer wall within the contest period. You must complete the offers with real information. The more offers you complete, the more likely you are to win the top prize. Some rules are, for offers to qualify, they must have been completed and been credited. You must complete offers with real information only. Offers from the offer wall must always be complete and credited from 2 dates that they will have mentioned. The time limit will qualify. So whatever date they put there, that's what you have to keep in mind. So the top person has already earned over 3,000 points, and that's all from completing surveys and different things. And if he wins this, then he's going to get an extra 2,000 points. So in total, he'll be having a lot of points that he can easily exchange for PayPal money, which is very easy. You just need to try and beat this guy so that in the next coming contest, you can be at the top and earn this much, if not even more, and exchange those points for at least $1,000. If you scroll down, you're going to see United States Survey Contest, International Survey Contest, and Referral Contests. So you have 3 different ways to earn with surveys. Even if you are not from the United States, you could participate in one of these or even all of them and can earn points that's probably already like thousands of dollars straight into your PayPal account. Now, if you come over to Win again at the top of this website and select Raffles, it's going to take you over to this page. Now, they have raffles every day, and this is free PayPal money that you can earn. And as you can see, there's a $10 gift card, a $20 gift card, and even a $50 gift card as well that you can enter to try your luck. And you can earn this for absolutely free. And if you scroll down, you'll also see upcoming raffles that you can prepare yourself for. So literally, this platform has everything that you can ask for. And this website gives you a chance to earn money for completely free. And I know that everything I said is probably already so amazing, and you just can't wait to try it out, but there's actually yet another and more exciting way to make free PayPal money, and that's by setting up a passive income strategy. All you need to do is come over to the Invite section on the top, and then click on the Earn with Referrals, which will take you over to this page. It's as easy as 3 steps. Sit back and watch your earnings grow as your referrals earn points for you. You will earn a 15% bonus based on their earnings. For example, if your referrals earn $1,000, you will get $150 for absolutely free. The Prize Rebels referral program is one of the best referral programs, and it's the easiest way to earn with Prize Rebel. So you're going to make money on complete autopilot mode from your referrals earnings, which I think just makes things even more awesome. You can just copy your link and can start to share it with literally everyone. So that's the breakdown of today's amazing website. If you've learned anything new today, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. Also, remember to check out the done-for-you strategy that I've linked for you in the description box below. See you next time.